Welcome back to the channel. If you have been working with 2D sketches in Fusion 360 and are ready to bring them into the third dimension, you are in the right place. In today's video, I am going to walk you through exactly how to extrude a sketch in Fusion 360, turning those flat shapes into solid 3D parts. This is a fundamental skill for every CAD designer, and mastering it will speed up your workflow significantly. If this video helps you out, please take a quick second to hit that like button and subscribe for more professional tutorials. Let's jump right in. Once you have finished drawing your circle, rectangle, or custom shape, the first step is to finalize your work. Look at the top right of your toolbar and click on the Finish Sketch button. Your environment will shift from the 2D workspace back to the 3D viewing mode. Now it is time to define what you want to build. Simply move your cursor over the shape you have drawn and click inside the closed profile. You will see it highlight, which indicates that Fusion 360 knows exactly which area you want to manipulate. Next, we need to activate the tool. You can go to the top menu, click on the Create dropdown, and select Extrude. However, if you want to be more efficient, just tap the letter E on your keyboard. That is a massive time saver. With the tool active, you will see an arrow appear right on your sketch. You can click and drag that arrow manually to see the shape take depth in real time, or if you need precision, type an exact numerical value into the dialog box that appears on the screen. This is also where you choose your operation. You can select Join to fuse the new shape with an existing body, Cut to carve a hole through your material, or New Body to keep your creation as a distinct part in your browser list. Always double-check these settings before clicking OK. Once you press that final button, your 2D sketch officially evolves into a 3D solid object. It's that simple. If you found this quick guide useful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you do not miss our next technical deep dive. Happy designing, and I'll see you in the next one.